Hello, my name is Tom Young, and I'm the founding director of the PhD program in social work at Widener University. We started this program for people who wanted to pursue a PhD, but who couldn't afford really to do it full time. So we offer just a part-time program. Classes are only on Fridays. Our ideal student is someone who has their master's degree in social work or in a related field, and who has had about 3, maybe 4 years of experience in the field and knows that they want to go farther and do more, and particularly if they have ambitions to teach. But we're also preparing people to be leaders in the field, program administrators, policy advocates, as well as people who are pursuing advanced practice in a variety of forms, whether it's individuals, communities, groups.
I really did my research in terms of looking at the faculty, looking at Dr. Celeste Johnson and her involvement in the community in regards to working with African American youth and the impact of murder. Looking at Dr. Barnett's work in Chester, they not only do the work, they actually live the work. And I feel like that so many universities become so scholarly that they're removed from what they're doing and they're not really putting research into practice. So you get this unique opportunity to have a scholarly team of teachers who are educating you, but they're actually really bringing real practice.
They made you feel like they want you, and that was such a good feeling. I have been impressed by every faculty member to date. I'm learning from each and every one of them. I'm grabbing something from each and every one of them.
The type of work I do is very solitary data analysis. It's just me and the computer. So it really was an opportunity for me to get out and connect with some other people and really get a little bit broader picture of what was going on. I was kind of just getting locked into my own field and what I did, and sort of had blinders on. But then by talking to my classmates, and they're all from diverse backgrounds and they've all done different types of things, and that's just really been valuable.
It's so funny because everyone says to me at work, you can tell that you're in a doctorate program, because I find myself speaking more to facts than anecdotal when I'm making a point, recognizing that there is a need for us to utilize evidence-based practice.
When I first came in, I had my mind made up. Oh, I'm going to do this. I just want to hone my research skills and be able to be a really good researcher. And then I had a class, and okay, policy, I like that. I'm going to go with that. Then I had another class, the art and science of social work. And I started thinking, okay, well, there's something there. I got interested a little bit more in ethics. So the way I look at it is every class that I have opens some type of door to more knowledge that I can use to decide what I'm going to do when I'm finished with this.
My interest has always been around children and around, because of my upbringing, I've been exposed to a lot of violence. So that's primarily an area of interest to me. And they have a violence prevention center here, and that was, for me, that gave me the feeling that I want to learn here. I want to learn under them. I want to learn under teachers who care. You don't get that as doing an online course.
I think one of the things that's unique about our curriculum, we have the standard courses in quantitative research methods and qualitative research methods and sort of the history and philosophy of social work in the United States. But we also have courses that are specifically targeted on teaching and how to teach, how to be an effective teacher in the classroom. A lot of doctoral programs don't have that. I think there's also, because we're here at Widener, there is a real commitment to what we call service learning here, or ways of being engaged in the community rather than just in the classroom, making the ideas work in the real world. All of our faculty are actively practicing in their own areas of specialization. So when a student comes into our doctoral program, they're getting taught by people who have their hands dirty, if you will, in the real world, and also have a passion for carrying out research that is relevant. Research to understand the social problems that we all live with more clearly, and especially research that might lead to innovative solutions to addressing some of these problems.